Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. Let's look at Doge real quick. All right, Bitcoin Daily View, bitcoindailyview.com. Got cool stuff for you there. Looking at the crypto market in general against USDT or USD, mix of green and red, mostly green right now. This is only looking at the last hour, but it does show mostly green crypto world. Looking at the crypto market against BTC, mostly green right now. Definitely been a temperamental market today. ADA and DOT definitely showing up for the show today. Bitcoin sideways, of course. Bitcoin trading volume right at about 5.5 billion. Not bad for a Sunday. Most of that on Binance. Let's look at, well, of course, we're going to look at Doge, but in general, Bitcoin, it's just holding right now previous support and resistance. Indicators are not incredibly positive. We shall see how it goes. It's kind of iffy. We'll see. Not sure. Bitcoin sideways, not strong, not weak. A little weak actually. So of course that's going to affect Doge. Now Doge. Up top here, Doge USDT. On the bottom, Doge BTC. This is on Binance. So right now, Doge against USDT. I was hopeful right here where you see these blue diamonds. We were keeping above the 200 moving average. That is the white one right there. That's a good thing. This is a 45-minute chart, but now the 200 moving average, the quicker has moved below the slower. The blue one is the 314. So losing some velocity. Directional index is red. ADX is not where it needs to be. Squeeze indicator really shows a bit red here. So in general, it's just downtrending. The KRI is in the red. Stochastic RSI right here is definitely has the fulcrum is pointing down. Looks like it's going to give us a negative cross of the signal in the stochastic RSI. So in general, against USDT, what I can say as a good sign is, well, okay, we can see, of course, that we are at a location right now, definitely where we've had previous support and resistance in the chart. That's kind of something that, Bitcoin is, I don't have that anymore. It's something that Bitcoin is doing also. So let's just see. I would like to see on the 45-minute chart here, Doge get above that 200 moving average, the white one right there. But at least we are playing with some previous support and resistance in the chart. So let's see if we can stay above that. In general, if we do look though, if we zoom in a little bit here on the 45-minute chart, we can see where in general we are sideways, at least not trending down much, or not trending down at all, even though we are below the 200 moving average and the indicators are weak. Looking at Doge in the bottom here versus BTC, a little bit more hopeful, mainly because BTC has been losing value slightly, and one of the reasons that is happening is if we look right here, this is the market, traditional markets here, the S&P 500 up top, Russell 2000 in the middle, both kind of crappy on Thursday and Friday, but look at this at the very, very bottom. The DXY is starting to move. Dollar Strength Index is hardening. It's moving up. It's above the 21 EMA. That upwards momentum for the dollar strength index will initially dump Bitcoin a bit, which as you can see here in the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin definitely recently has seen a bit of some downwards momentum there, getting ready to challenge the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. We shall see if it holds there. In general, the indicators look like that's definitely a maybe. Of course, as always, not financial advice. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not, nor am I a life coach. But well, I'm trying to help you out, trying to help myself out. Really, just talking out loud, a crazy dude in his garage. So with that said, Doge versus Bitcoin once again. As Bitcoin has been slightly downtrending while the dollar is uptrending, we can see this beautiful sideways action, and check it out. Doge versus Bitcoin on this 45-minute chart. We are staying above the 200 moving average. Right now, we're doing a slight challenge of it recently, last couple hours, but we are staying above it. Directional index is in the green. ADX is moving up where we'd like to see it. It's at 20 right now. It's a beautiful thing. When it starts hitting like 22, 23, 25, we're going to see some upwards momentum. The squeeze indicator here, let's zoom in on this. Looks like we might start seeing some white dots here on the squeeze indicator. That might show a nice powerful uptrend. You can find the squeeze indicator on bitcoindailyview.com. It's there on TradingView. The stochastic RSI is definitely trending down hardcore. We need to see the RSI tilt up a bit, and then we're good to go. At least we are kind of in a buy zone right now. Not financial advice, but I would say Doge versus Bitcoin is doing better than Doge versus USD because Doge versus Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin's falling in value recently a bit. So right now we are just plain sideways and not positive as we move into the weekend, but that's basically because of the volatility that we're seeing here with Bitcoin, basically I think in great part driven from a strengthening dollar. So really, I'll be back tomorrow. I'll do this again. We'll look at Doge specifically because so many people ask about it. Bitcoin and truth, and Bitcoin and in truth, really, Doge is a bet on the future of humanity. How do you put a price on that? You can't. This is by Stacy Hubert over on Kaiser Report. I do believe, and I'm glad you're here, Bitcoin and Doge Truth Seeker. I will see you again tomorrow or Monday. Right now, Doge, well, accumulation phase, not financial advice. Take care.